Welcome to the video demonstration of Naitiri, our outfit generator powered by generative AI. This video is a part of submission for Flipkart Grid. We are tech titans and let's jump right into it. Our problem statement was to create a conversational outfit generator based upon generative AI. Let's jump to the video demonstration and see the product in action. Let's ask for something ethnic. As you can see, it intelligently extracted out the things that I'm asking it, and based upon that, it has given me an output. Let's have and continue the conversation and let's see and make the tweaks and the changes that we want. As you can see, we have been given an output, and based upon that, I have asked it to change the leggings. It intelligently extracted out that I'm asking it to change the leggings because I'm saying indirectly that leggings are boring. So leggings has been changed to salwar. Let's continue the conversation. Based upon the given input, we were provided with Langa Choli. And as you already know, Langa Choli doesn't go well with salwars. So let's change salwar to something like leggings. As you can see, we were provided with a beautiful outfit generated totally by generative AI tools. Thank you for following along. First, the user prompt is processed using GPT 3.5 large language model, which converts and extracts essential key value pairs out of it, which are stored as prompt insights. User purchase history, which is stored as a CSV file input, is processed and essential key value pairs are generated, which are stored as purchase insights. Top social media trending posts are scraped using a scraper stored inside a CSV file. That CSV file is processed and extracted essential key value pairs. These key value pairs are then stored as trend insights. Product images and product descriptions are used to convert to vector embeddings, and these embeddings are stored in the vector database such as Pinecone. Our three user insights are combined into one single uniform insight, which is used to generate a query from Pinecone. This query is then converted into a query embedding, which is searched on the Pinecone databases. Vector on vector search is done, and in the end, a list of articles is provided to us. Top results are shown to the user.